Awareness about antibiotics. Most of us have heard the term antibiotics before. But did you know that they have been used for over 100 years and have saved countless lives? However, their overuse has led to antibiotic resistance, which has become a global concern. To help us understand how this works, imagine that antibiotics are like a special set of tools that doctors use to fight infections. But as with any tool, if we don't use them correctly, they can become ineffective. The key to staying safe with antibiotics is to use them only when necessary and to avoid giving them to children or people with weakened immune systems. We must also remember that some infections can be treated without the help of antibiotics. So it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any kind of treatment. Being aware of how to use antibiotics properly is crucial for our health and the future of medicine. So, let's work together